Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the black screen issue in Netflix. So if you are using the Netflix web to see your Netflix movies, then you have to turn off the Netflix website and then you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Microsoft Store, and when you are in the Microsoft Store you have to wait couple of seconds because Microsoft Store take couple of time to get loaded. After that you have to search for the Netflix. From here you can see I am typing the Netflix, and after you search for the Netflix, it will take a couple of seconds to show the results. And here you can see the first option, and it is totally free of cost to download it. You don't have to purchase it. You simply have to click on get and it will automatically get started to install. But still, if it don't get fix the black screen issue, then what you can do is click again to the start button. Then you have to search for the settings option from here. Then you have to wait a couple of seconds to it get loaded, and after that you have to click on the apps option from here. Then you have to click on the install apps. Then in the install app option there will be option of searching the searching the website, searching the Netflix app. So since I don't have downloaded the Netflix app, I am just showing the another app, and you can follow the same rules for the Netflix. So for example, I'm going to do the uTorrent website or the uTorrent app. Then you have to three dot click on it. Since uTorrent don't have the advanced option, I'm just showing you the Adobe Photoshop, I mean the 3D viewer here. So you have to click on the advanced option from there, and here you have to click on the repair option, and then it will take couple of seconds. After you click on repair, then you have to click on the reset. After that, when you click on the reset, then you have to come back to that app, I mean the Netflix app, and after you click on the Netflix app, it will most likely to get fixed. So that's how you can easily fix the black screen issue in Netflix. Thank you very much for watching this video.